In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install or set up our Adrenalin. Adrenalin is a multi-purpose WooCommerce theme. So, after purchasing the script or the theme, after purchasing it, then we go straight to our dashboard. Our WordPress dashboard, here is it. Then I go to appearance. So, yeah, after coming to appearance, this is how it looks like. I see this one is customized, means this is the active theme on the website. So, because I want to upload or install a new theme, I click on add new theme. Then, upload theme. I click on choose file. Then I choose my file, which is Adrenalin. Open. Next, I click on install now. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channels. Also use link in description to engage me to help you install the theme or customize the theme. After that, I click on activate. Now, the default theme here is now Adrenalin. That's why it's written customized. So let me go to the site. I right click, open a new tab. So let me go to the site. Here is it. As you can see, it is installed. Let me now go back to my theme as in my dashboard, because there are some required file plugins that I'm supposed to install. This theme requires the following plugins. This. So let me install this for it to be effective. Now I install. Click on install now. After installing it, then I will activate it. Next, I click on activate. Oh, that one has been activated. Let me go to the next one. This. Install now. So this one, so I click on activate. So the next one, Readers Framework. Install now. Okay. This one, so I activate. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to see more of these videos. Now let's continue. This theme recommend. So this one I recommended. Require plugin. So this one is required. I should activate it, but I'm not doing that for this video. Let me go back to my site, refresh. So can see how it looks like. So from here I can customize my site, but I can customize my site and install my WooCommerce, then fully customize it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you want me to help you and customize this site or install the theme, please don't forget to use the engagement link in the description to engage me to assist you in doing it. Thank you. Bye.